everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you have a black screen on your Amazon Fire Stick, and this is very easy to do. Now what we want to do first is come around to the back of the TV and look at our Fire Stick device. So here is my Amazon Fire Stick located right here. Now the first thing we want to try is unplugging it from the TV if you have it plugged in via the USB cable, and plug it into one of these adapters and plug it directly into the wall outlet. Now you could try a power strip. So I do have a power strip right here that I can connect it to with my adapter. Otherwise, go on down to the outlet right here and plug it in directly to this. Now if you have it plugged in just with the USB as a power source, your Fire Stick will keep restarting. Now another thing to be aware about is the HDMI extender located right here. I'd say try taking this off and plugging it directly into one of the HDMI ports on your TV if you have the option for it. It can be a little bit tight with these devices. I can't have two HDMI devices connected side by side with this, so I have to unplug them and then plug this in, and just see if that is the issue with your Fire Stick. Also, try a different HDMI port. Maybe number 1 didn't work, but number 3 or 4 worked. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.